Alright, today we're going to do a continuation of the NORCOLD, I think it's 7, 8, and 9 series N8X or something of that nature. Remember I showed you the condensation built up because it was freezing and then it would defrost. Alright, so this is some of the tools that we have right here. Yep. Alright, just going to go into focus. Anyway, these are plastic tools because this is plastic. Alright, so I'm going to clean all this, everything out of here. I don't know who did this, they did it wrong. I'll get it right. Then I'm going to use some 91% rubbing alcohol. Clean it up even spotless. Get all this mastic off, put new stuff on. And then I'm going to put in, see how this was? This was double-sided tape. This didn't even hold right. Look at that. Well, that's supposed to be kind of right there. Well, I'll just show you later. But anyway, it's supposed to set. There you go. I'm gonna drop it on my foot there. All right, so this would be on the inside. Right, and it's supposed to be up against that, and that hole's too darn big, so I'm gonna have to find a way to seal that up too. So there we go, folks. We're slowly getting there. I'm gonna put this on pause and get busy. I'm gonna start scraping all this garbage out of here. See, you gotta be careful because that's foam right there. All right, so there you go. See, there. Foam and plastic. Alright, so I'm going to do this whole thing and I'm going to show you. I'll put it on pause. I'll get it cleaned up. I even got one that's real wide, and then I got one to get in the corners. Look, you can still, and the AC right here has been running, pulling the moisture out of this. Alright, there's the old unit, there's the new unit. Old, new. Alright, put you on pause. I'll be right back. Alright, so I had to go get my trusty old Black & Decker that was made in the United States. That's like 25 years old. It's old, man. There, no, I'm wrong. It's 2000. I'm sorry. Yep. So it's 22 years old. Alright, so not bad. It isn't spotless yet, but I'm getting it there. Okay. Remember, I got to get it cleaned up good enough. Hold on. To put this in there, okay? I got to spray it around in a little circle, building up slow, and then dropping that unit. First, we dry fit this new unit. Here, I'll put you on pause. So we got to dry fit it first before we put that foam, expanding foam in there. One, to make sure that this don't need to get trimmed down. I've seen that happen. Alright, and then make sure it fits in there good. The holes line up, right? This is the freezer part, and this is the refrigerator fins that you have the thermistor on. Alright, same here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's the metal plate there. Alright, let me put you on hold because I don't like to exceed 10 minutes. Alright, folks, I'm back. It's cleaned up pretty darn good. Alright, remember the black mold down in here, so all the moisture is gone. So now I'm going to take that, bring it over, drop it in and dry fit it. Then I'm going to look from underneath, see how it looks. Alright, so we got a little bit of, this is torqued a little bit or twisted this way. This is the high end. Alright, but now we got, this is the top, this is the bottom. This has to be vertical, this heat exchanger, condenser, has to be even with this. Can't be on a tilt, okay? Now I'm going to show you how much vertical movement we got. Ready? Up. And this is all the way up. Now, it's pretty even with there. Down. So we got about an 1/4 inch. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to go underneath and look. Alright, so I'm going to show you how it's bent. Alright, see, right here. 'Is a little bit of a space, but look, good Lord. not 2 fingers, about 1.5. So I got to get this twisted a little bit. Let me get her up. A lot of people say, oh yeah, draw it in with the screws. Well, it's twisting the whole thing. Okay, so when they shipped it or made it, it just twisted a little bit. All right, so put you on pause. I'll get that redone. All right, folks. Now we can't even stick a finger in there. It's about 1/2. So we did a good job. Thank you for tolerating me. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Just a simple, like you do a car door. I put this right up underneath this, and the end that was high, which was this, I pushed down here, little at a time. Right, so then I put the block flat like this, and it didn't get a good response. And then I did it between here and there, right, like in between here and there. All right, see how tight that is up against there? All right, got a little space there. All right, so that's a lot better to deal with. Now we're gonna see if this thing lines up a little bit. All right, so how do we do that? I'll put you on hold. All right, so I take my scratch awl, or a very fine point punch, and I find the holes in there and line them up. Sometimes you got to move them. I showed you this on other videos. Okay, that's a NORCOLD, and then this. All right, so we're gonna do this. Put you on hold. I'm gonna line them up and draw them in with some screws, which came out of there originally. Let's see. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah, there they are. All right, so there's four of them, and I'm gonna get them hooked up. All right, folks, this is the end of this video. I'll bring another video in, but I gotta go get some screws. Unfortunately, the metal plate is further back on this one than it was the original one. See the original one? The plate's right there. This thing is back about a damn 3/8 of an inch. So let me show you here real quick. I figured it out, but I got it all cleaned up and locked in, so it's gonna look nice. I'm gonna put another row of double-sided tape right here, so that seals better. That 1.5 finger gap is gone to about 1/2. But this is the screws I'm talking about. See, they're tapered. Let me see here. All right. Oh, here. Let me see here. Okay, slow. Right there. There you go, huh? I got to get 4 of them. I'll get a box of 20, but I got to give them about another 1/8 inch. No, excuse me, about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch longer. All right. Thank you. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. There will be a continuation video on this. I'm going to go get some because I don't have none in my nut and bolt bin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumb up. There's over 400 videos. Rvdiagnostics, troubleshooting step by step.